Hi, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share my Diwali makeup recommendations and necessity as a girl. I know you all wanted under 500 makeup recommendations and under 500 makeup look. So in today's video, I am going to give you all the product recommendations which are under 500 and trust me, they are super good. And साथ में I will create this look which is just perfect for this festive Diwali season so that you can inspire and recreate this look as well. This is super easy doable look. I will show you so many affordable products, so you are getting so many recommendations, plus I will give you lot of tips and tricks as well. So I hope you enjoy watching. If you have come first time under my channel and you don't know who I am, then hi, I am Apurva. I create beauty and fashion videos here on YouTube. Take a moment to subscribe my channel, join my channel, and I'm sure you will love it. And also please don't forget to hit the bell icon because I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, let's start the video. First is moisturizer, and one I'm using here is Foxtale Hydrating Moisturizer with Ceramide. This moisturizer is great and very affordable. It hydrates my skin and it is not at all chipchipa. All skin type will love this. I'm applying this in a very good quantity and also on my neck. And please don't be confused when it comes to moisturizer because skin prep is very important. This moisturizer keeps my skin healthy and plump. Next is primer, and for that I'm using Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. Swiss Beauty actually makes very good and affordable products under 500. Under 500 budget you will see more of Swiss Beauty, Mars and all of that. If you have seen my previous videos, then you must know that how much I love this product. It makes my makeup long lasting, plus it gives very natural beautiful shine on the face. कि जब भी आप दिवाली पे फोटोज़ लोगे तो एकदम विद इन वाला ग्लो आएगा फेस पे. इट गिव्स अ वेरी डूई फिनिश, प्लस इट ऑल्सो ब्लर्स आउट माई पोर्स. So I just love this product. If you're looking for a good primer, then this one is actually a very good option. It also acts as a stroke cream. Can you see how nicely it has set into my skin and it is giving a beautiful glow. It has blurred out my pores as well. Now for affordable foundation, I have one recent discovery which is this Mars Blossom Foundation. It is a matte foundation and it gives great coverage. I'll take few drops in my hand and will dot it on my face. Look at the coverage. Wow, what is this? It just gives great coverage and it is so lightweight and it's just blending like some luxury foundation. Wow, just wow. This is just 500 rupees ka foundation and it is giving a great coverage. Blending is mind-blowing. Very lightweight also. This is amazing. I will apply this on my neck as well. And this shade is just perfect match for my skin tone. It's pure beige. It's a matte foundation, but I'm not at all feeling any dryness on my skin. Next is this pack concealer. I recently purchased this from Nykaa and it is really good. It gives beautiful buildable coverage. Earlier मैंने जो भी affordable videos बनाया था, that was under 1000, but under 500 was really challenging. And I want to give you all quality products. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी उठा के लगा लो. And the product has to be value for money even if it is under 500. We'll blend this with a concealer brush. ये भी बहुत अच्छे से blend हो जाता है और इसका buildable coverage है. Full coverage नहीं है If you want more coverage, you have to apply more products. Applying a concealer just below the cheekbone can just give you a very lifted look, and you can also avoid the contouring. See how nicely it has lifted my look, and you can avoid the contouring as well by this. Beautifully it has highlighted my face. Next I will set my base makeup with packed translucent powder, which is insane. It sets my makeup for a very long time and it gives creaseless under eye. Loosely I'm going to set my entire face. This is a mini pack, and if you want a full size you can also try Mars translucent powder, which is also very good. ओनली थिंग इज़ वो थोड़ा सा ड्राई करता है स्किन पे. बेकिंग तो उससे बिल्कुल भी मत करना, बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई है, बट वो मेकअप को अच्छे से सेट करता है. इफ़ यू विल प्रॉपरली प्रेप योर स्किन, अच्छे से हाइड्रेट करोगे अपने स्किन को, देन यू कैन यूज़ दैट. अनदर प्रो टिप, take an eyeshadow brush like this and just go around your under eye like this, just to avoid any creasing. और ऐसा करने से under eye बहुत अच्छे से set भी हो जाता है. After applying such a matte powder, it is very important to apply a hydrating mist. It actually helps to melt your makeup and set it properly. So for today I am using this Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. So for eyeshadow, I will be using this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 2. इसमें जो ये brown shade आता है ना, from that only you can fill your eyebrows, but I know for beginners eyebrow pencils are more convenient. So I will be suggesting this e.l.f. Instant Lift Micro Pencil. I will just fill my spar areas, nothing much. जहाँ जहाँ गैप्स है बस उसी को फिल कर रही हूँ. दिस पेंसिल इज क्वाइट पिगमेंटेड. No need to buy a brow gel or brow setter separately. Here I am going to give you a very good tip. Just take your spoolie and a makeup fixer and just spray it on your spoolie, and then just brush it like this on your eyebrows. And that's it, you are done. Your eyebrows will be set for the entire day. I'll do a very quick and easy eye look. I'll just take this light brown shade and will apply it on my crease. Next I'll take this dark brown shade and will apply to my outer corner of the eyes. And I'm going to blend this nicely. Next I'll take this peach shade and will apply it to my lower lash line. Next I will take this beautiful shimmer shade and will apply it to my eyelid. दिवाली है, थोड़ा glam look तो चाहिए. Wow, it's looking beautiful. I don't know how much camera में दिख रहा है, but in person it's looking absolutely stunning. Now let's draw a wing liner, and for that I'll be using Sugar liquid eyeliner. Indian looks are just incomplete without a kajal, and I know kajal looks good on everyone. So for today I'm using K Beauty kajal. This is one of the best. It is smudge proof, waterproof plus long lasting. And for mascara I'll be using Nykaa Curl Power Waterproof Curling Mascara. It adds length and gives beautiful lift to my eyes. And it is waterproof also. For blush and highlighter I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Blush and Highlighter Duo Palette. इसका एक ट्रायो पैक भी आता है in which you will get a bronzer, but it didn't work for me, so I'm not suggesting. But if you want you can try that. Actually under 500 जितने भी bronzer या contouring products मैंने try किए हैं, it is just nightmare to blend them and it looks very patchy on my skin. So इससे better है कि मैं उसको skip ही कर देती हूँ. According to me सबसे affordable range में Rimmel का bronzer आता है, but its MRP is 600. So for this video I am not using it. It's a matte blush and it is quite pigmented. Next is highlighter. Ooh, it's quite subtle and it does not have any chunky glitter parts. I'll take a little bit of highlighter and will highlight my inner corner of the eyes. That's it. I have so many affordable lipsticks which you gonna be love. I absolutely love this Mars Lip Crayon. The girl power is just perfect everyday nude lipstick. Next, Staze also have very good collection of lipsticks in affordable range. I love their liquid lipsticks. They have variety of shades and all are so good. And I just love their tricolor lipsticks. It's so nice, and in bullet lipstick formula they have managed to make it transfer proof, which is the best. For today's look I'll be using this lipstick. This is Mars non-transfer lipstick. It's not a liquid lipstick, it's a crayon, but it is transfer proof. And just one swipe application. And quite surprisingly, these are long lasting as well. Last, I'm going to fix this makeup with Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. That's all for today's video. Super festive, super affordable glam makeup look under Rs500. So many recommendations and I genuinely love these products. These are affordable and at the same time they perform so good. So if you like the video, then please give the thumbs up, and all the product links are in the description box. You can check and buy from there. Something you want and you don't have it, so you can buy from there. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and if you wish to be part of it, then please subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. May the festive spirit of Diwali fill your life with love, light, laughter and special moments. Happy Diwali to all of you, and I will see you soon in my next. Till then, live happily and stay beautiful.